Asus 5 Nitro, now switched on. After removing shorted transistor, it started but not working. When you try to check it with thermal camera, we have two video memory chips. It's overheating. Very sad.